So we're getting ready to leave. Ann looks up on the top of the camper and says, "Hey, the antenna's loose." So climb up there and yeah.
It's something.
It's been bent for years, and then coming home last night, we drove it to the dealership so I could fill the tank, dump the tank, get it washed. And yeah, it was just laying up there, so I just spent the last half hour patching the roof, which I should have filmed, but I didn't. So, hello. Welcome to the channel again. We are in the camper for a change. So we are heading up to Jackson Meadows. And get past this traffic. Up in the beautiful Sierra Nevada mountains. Kind of in the same vicinity we were in last video, but not really. So we'll see. But yeah, and we got Kenai puppy with us, so another Kenai adventure.
Yep.
So we will see you in a little bit. See the bubbling grease in there. Went to pull out and make a U-turn and realized the Jeep's wheels weren't tracking, so we stopped. I have no brake fluid, and this wheel was actually smoking when we first stopped. Don't know what's going on. We're gonna let it cool off and hopefully continue our adventure. Well, we made it up to the dam at Jackson Meadows. Went to turn around to let Ann drive so I could, or not turn around, but pulled in a big pull-out so that Ann could drive and I could get a really cool drone shot of us driving over the dam. Realized the Jeep's front wheels were not tracking. They were going the opposite direction of what we were turning. Got out and looked, smelled something funny, and my one of the tires was smoking, and I have absolutely no brake fluid in there, so I don't know what happened. We've been on pavement the whole way. So we got back down to the entrance to Jackson Meadows campground. It is packed, too full, but we're gonna let the wheel cool enough and pull it off and see what the hell's going on. Mm-hmm. So, yeah, this is
not the way we wanted our
weekend. Not the kind of adventure we were looking for, with our frickin' antenna blowing off the roof. I had to patch that before we left.
It's been one of those jinx weekends.
And now this, so I don't even know if I'm going to be able to tow the Jeep home if the wheel's going to smoke. So, yeah, we will keep you informed.
Yeah.
Okay, we got the Jeep back to another campground, well, where it was last time we talked, and we are now driving somewhere to try and find cell service to call Auto Club, because
I can't drag it.
I can't tow it back down. That thing just gets too hot, and even if I take it apart to see what's wrong with it, there's no way for me to fix it, so Auto Club it is. That's why we have them.
Yeah.
So all the way back down to Highway 89, and then the boat ramp guy said that it's another 6 miles past that. So we'll see.
We'll see.
Yeah. You know, I know we have adventure in our channel title. This is not the kind of adventure I want. Damn. Oh well, we will talk to you in a bit. Okay, an update. It's, what, a half hour later, at least. So, got through to Auto Club, and after finally getting a live operator going through computer hell. John, you are awesome. So, you know, they send a link. Just click on this link. We have your location, and then you can hang up. It's like, no, we're nowhere near where we need you to be. So finally got through to a live operator. He found where we are. Everything's good. Tow truck's about an hour out. It's going to take us probably another 20 minutes to get there, at least. And yeah, we had to drive down to Sierraville to get cell service. So now we're heading back. Once the Jeep gets picked up, it's getting delivered to my buddy's shop back in Verde. And we're going to try and salvage the trip, get out to the campground, out to the forest. Yeah, the driver may want us to follow him. I'm hoping not. So we will give you an update in a little while. Yeah. So it's about an hour-ish later from the last time we talked. We're back up here by the Jeep, and now we're just waiting for the tow truck. Hopefully he won't need one of us to follow him down, because, you know, I really thought by this point in the day we'd be into the cocktails in the camper segment. So yeah, after all this, I am definitely ready for a beer. See, beer. So yeah, now we just wait. But I mean, you know, if you had to be stuck somewhere, it's kind of a pretty area. And Jackson Meadows actually has a dump station over there. So we're thinking that the bearing cooked a bearing, because he pulled out big chunks of metal. So yep, no fun in the Jeep this trip. Well, so much for taking the lake loops today. Kind of sad seeing it go. But on the plus part, they know where it's going. Yeah, we'll just put the key in the box. So you're good to go. Go have fun. So we're going to go have fun. Crossing the dam, take 2. Smile, Ann. I was going to put the drone up and get the shot that I was going to get the first time. And, you know, with the luck I've had today, it's getting a little windy. I don't want to lose my brand new drone either. So we're just going to go to camp, get set up, probably do an episode of Cocktails in the Camper, because yes. We finally made it to camp. We're in a campground because shit happens. It's not Cocktails in the Camper yet, but time for a cold beer at least. So let me turn you around. Not too bad a campsite. We're in an approved campground, so we can actually have a campfire tonight. But no campsite right up there. And nothing. Well, that's us. Yeah, not a very level campsite. Most of the blocks went for the stairs. I'm still contemplating just turning it around, but oh well. Okay, Ann's up paying for the campsite. I'm going to set the chairs up and get ready to do some hardcore relaxation. We will talk to you in a bit.
Don't.
Hey, I've got the 20-pound weight limit, not you. She's carrying the water, so we have it for the fire. Okay, we are gonna do another episode of Cocktails in the Camper. I don't even know what this one's called. Cherry something.
Cherry bourbon goodness.
Yes, that. So we got the no effing around bottle of bourbon this trip. We need it after today. Maple syrup, handful of pitted cherries, ice, lemon. Somebody forgot the mint sprig. Okay, handful of cherries. Go into your shaker. You'll just have to trust me on the amount. Our custom muddler.
This is a 16-ounce cup.
Because we've apparently never muddled.
Never muddled before.
I'm just going to let that one go.
I figured. See? There's a cherry at the very bottom.
Yeah, this ain't working
I
very
don't think
well.
you can get it. I don't know that you can get it.
Okay. We're going to take a break here.
Inside?
So, I thought I'd be smart and crush them up a little bit on the cutting board.
Didn't work. Now we gotta hope for the juice.
Idea sounded
Hope
a
and
lot
pray.
better in my head. God, looks like somebody got brutalized on our table right now.
It's pretty ugly.
The next time we do something that needs to be muddled,
We'll have
we'll
a muddler.
have a muddler.
Here you go. Yeah, you like cherries.
Oh my God, this dog loves cherries.
Cherry.
Okay, I will trade you muddling tools. Try this again.
A few moments later.
No, baby. I'm sorry. I'll give you one later.
Muddled. Okay.
Jane cherry fingers.
Half a lemon.
On strength.
Oh my God. They used to be
There we
such
go.
strong hands. Okay. Yeah. Set that in the sink. And now the original recipe calls for a well-measured dash of agave syrup. But if you've seen any of our videos where I'm mixing anything with bourbon, it's maple. And also there's supposed to be a sprig of mint in there. So pretend. And that would go in while you're muddling your cherries. And I'm going to leave that joke on too. Okay. Seems like we're forgetting something.
Yeah, it's a lot of ice.
It's a lot of ice.
You might
But
need
the
it.
bourbon's hot, so. Oh man.
We're forgetting the
No.
mint.
Oh yeah, we mentioned that already.
Yep.
Okay. Da-da-da-da-da. One shot. Come on, Bruce. 2 shots.
And one to appease the spirits that seem to have been disturbed today.
Actually, it actually called for 3 shots.
Yeah, it did.
Okay. And now we shake.
You have fun.
Where's the strainer? Another required part. Strainer. Oh man, amazing how cold an aluminum shaker gets.
It's cool. I can see it. It's frosty.
Custom little shot glasses there.
Yeah, Stanley.
Oh man. We used to have a really nice little Stanley flask.
I'm having
Somebody liked it better than
way
me.
too much fun. with the dog here.
I think that's shaken enough. Come on, damn. Feels like vacuum. Okay.
Oh, heavens.
Did I spill?
Yes.
Can't take me anywhere.
No.
And yes, you can definitely eat the cherry sludge. Okay. It's just ice. There we go. Oh, yes. And then you're supposed to like put some sugar, rim the glass with sugar, and a little skewer with all the cherries going across to make it look really pretty and nice. But you know, we're not that way. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. That is so good.
The mint does add something to it.
The mint does add something.
Yeah.
Because when we tested it at home, we had the mint. We are going to enjoy this.
You can put that in the sink.
Handful of cherries, sprig of mint, and you're supposed to slap it against your palm first.
Of course.
The recipe we watched online. The guy was funny as hell. But yeah, like I said, agave, the maple works wonderfully. And it has less sugar in it.
It has less sugar than
than
agave.
agave does.
Believe
Real
it or not.
maple. Real maple, not the cheap crap. But always got to specify.
Man, we didn't have to worry about things like our health.
I miss those days.
Right?
All right, we are going to enjoy these, and then we'll catch up with you probably outside. This is how excited he was while we were filming that. That, or, you know, he's awful close to that bottle of bourbon. Maybe he partook? Nah, he's a good boy. So, keen-eyed person showed up. Can you tell he's a happy pup?
Oh, one's got crackers.
Yep. Yeah, but he doesn't like those. Yeah. Happy puppy. So someone is telling me it's time to cook dinner.
It's 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock, dinner, what? We've been relaxing. And it's been good.
Just because you have to replace all the bearings on the XJ.
Yeah. According to the tow truck driver, we spun a bearing on the XJ, so. But hey,
Makes the most sense.
it got towed down to my buddy's shop, so. I'm not even concerned about it. It is what it is.
Yeah, true.
You know, why worry? It won't fix anything. I guess I better go cook dinner. Keep someone happy.
Oh, what the heck? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna starve to death.
Yeah, we're having fun up here.
What are you saying?
Arr.
Nom, 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 nom.
Arr. Talk again.
That was hilarious. Oh my gosh.
Arr. Hey. Okay, you win. Arr.
Oh my goodness.
Arr.
What was that?
Kenai and Shay and Dan. And an honest to God California campfire. So we got coffee and we got a fire going. Start to a great day. Yeah, not too shabby a campsite.
Over there. He's looking at me like, what? What?
I just love how, I turn on the camera and all of a sudden he's calm.
Right?
Some-ish. Kinda going for a corned beef hash type of thing. Somebody wants it. Yo knows. And the finished. Oh, cuddle pup. Yeah, you're caught cuddling. Yes, you are. Well, I guess we never did an official good morning. But yeah, we've had our coffee, had our breakfast, cleaned up camp, getting ready to head out. But man, not a bad campsite. Campfire is fully flooded and drowned. Look at the size of that mushroom. That thing's huge. Well, we kind of left camp a little early. On top of everything else, fired up the truck this morning and my power steering pump was screaming at me, so borrowed some, got some fluid from a neighbor, and because all of mine was in the Jeep that went home yesterday. So yeah, we're heading out. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you on the next video. Whoa, there I am. That's funny, went around the corner and the gimbal didn't track on me. There I am. So we will see you next time. Bye.